Welcome. In front of me is a MAXCOM MS457, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card and SD card into the device. So I'm just gonna lock the device, and on the left side you will find this little flap right here, so you want to just kind of open it, pull that out like so, and then right where it's kind of laying you have a tiny little hole. It's barely visible, like right next to that where the thing is connected, and you'll need something like this, a SIM eject tool. Usually comes with a device, or you can always use a paper clip or anything that will fit in there and is sturdy enough to push the tray out. So as you can see, I'm just gonna kind of push it in there, and the tray will pop out. So as you can see, kind of popped out. So now all you want to do is just grab it and pull it out all the way, like so. And from here, it goes on the other side, so kind of like if the device would be laying like this. So take the tray and the SIM card, put it in here with the corner, the cutout corner being on a kind of like a top right side. So make sure it's like this. The cutout is right here, and then I'm just gonna hold it flat like this and flip the device like so, as you can see, and push it back in here. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's all the way in. So now, as you can see, the SD card is being read, so I need to put in a pin of the device, confirm it, and update for SIM no thanks. And as you can see, also SD card is being read as well. It's asking me, do I want to change the default write disk? I'm just gonna say decline this. And that is basically how you would insert a SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.